Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can change your profile image and display name on the Signal app. So on your phone, open the Signal app. Now tap on the profile image at the top left of the screen. If you have not set the profile image, you'll see your initials at the top left. Now on the settings screen, tap on your name. Now tap on your profile image to change it. It'll give you an option to choose from your photo gallery or to start the camera to take one. I'll choose the photo gallery and select a photo from my phone. Select your photo. Now resize and crop your photo. Then press done. Your profile image will then change to the photo you've selected. Now to change your display name, just tap on the first name and last name field and change it to anything you like. Once you're done, press save at the top right. You'll then notice your profile image and display name change. And there you go, that is how to change your profile photo and display name on the Signal app. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.